Morning everyone, just a quick little video. I just thought as I went out to pick up some paint supplies again this morning, I picked up a couple of tools that I was needing for the workshop. Now, because I've been borrowing a set, I found a set of the vice grip pliers like that. I am going to buy some of the cheap vice grips, and I'm actually going to make some of my own eventually. Because at where is it? At a whopping $34.50 for these particular vice grips, I think I might just weld some plate on to the bottom of some and make some of my own, because I can get the cheaper brand and that for a lot cheaper, and a bit of steel, and make some of my own. So anyway, so I got that, went down into trade tools because Bunnings didn't have any, so I got the 2-inch angle sander kit. Now, a bit more money than what I was wanting to actually spend today, but I was wanting to grab it. So I picked up the little angle sander. Got a few of the pads in, so I just need to now get hold of bulk a lot of these different coloured pads, and that because they're different grits. So yeah, just thought I'd show you that. Paint supplies are way over there, and that's stocked up on the shelf there, and that. So at the moment we're also working on 2 more boot floors and that, and I've got a set of dog legs that I've started, 2 right side ones that have got to go along with another order, so I'm going to get into them today. And that I'll probably show you guys through Facebook some photos of them when they're finished, and the boot floors will be finished sometime this week as well. Also got an urgent ASAP dog leg that I've got to make up on the weekend as well. I've done a swap for something that I was needing, well, not needing but wanting for my ute build. So I'm swapping a gentleman that I know one of my dog leg repair panels for that. So yeah, so I don't like swapping, but at this present stage in time, to finish getting the few bits and bobs that I want for my ute build, then I've swapped a few bits and pieces. So yeah, so when that comes along, I will do a quick video and show you that. Yeah. So anyway, it was just a quick video for now. Just 100% raw. Anyway, I want to thank everyone that has liked, subscribed, and commented on my videos. That's awesome. I appreciated that. We've also hit 1,061 likes on the Facebook page and 1,100 and something followers on the Facebook page. So yeah, so thanks to everyone that's been liking and subscribing and following the Facebook page as well, and for everyone that's jumped on Instagram and started following me over there too. So anyway, thanks again. Till next time, stay safe. I've got some long stickers back in stock, just so you know. Where are they? So yeah, so there's the new batch of stickers, and they will go in there. And yeah. So anyway, thanks again. Till next time, stay safe. If you're in Victoria and New South Wales, wear a mask, yeah, make sure you keep washing your hands and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, thanks again. Till next time. Cheerio.